Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am coming up with my notes. What is the definition of a differential equation? Any equation containing x, y, and dy by dx or d2 by y dx square, etc. is called a differential equation. In other words, a differential equation is an equation that involves an independent variable x, the dependent variable y, and the derivatives of the dependent variable. देखिए d dx of y is dependent variable, etc. So this is the definition. Now I'll give you some examples. Supposing dy by dx plus tan x equal to 0. This is differential equation. देखिए डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में जब तक इक्वल टू का साइन नहीं होगा तो इक्वेशन नहीं बनेगी, और जब तक डिफरेंशियल नहीं होगा तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नहीं कहलाएगी. सो in order to be a differential equation, the must conditions are that there should be a derivative, there should be a differential, and there should be an equal to sign. So this is the differential equation. Again, look here. This is equal to sign, and this is second derivative, this is first derivative. This is a differential equation. It is containing differentials, and this is equal to 0. It is a differential equation. Same way here also. So it is a differential equation. Now let us go further. Differential equations are basically of two types: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. An ordinary differential equation is one which contains the derivatives of the function of only one independent variable. And in this case, a partial differential equation is one which contains derivatives of differentials of functions of two or more independent variables. I'll come up with the examples. This is dy by dx is equal to log x. Look here, it contains derivative of one independent variable. सिर्फ y का derivative हो रहा है. So it is a ordinary differential equation. इसके अंदर देखिए y का ही derivative हो रहा है. So it is a ordinary differential equation. इसमें y का derivative हो रहा है, y का derivative हो रहा है. So these are examples of the ordinary differential equation. So what is ordinary differential equation? An ordinary differential equation is one which contains the derivative of the function of only one variable, one independent variable. Now in this case, examples are, it is written like this. It is small delta, delta x of y plus delta y of z. Now look here, these are more than one independent variable. Same way here also. So these are examples of partial differential equation. In +2 syllabus, only ordinary differential equations are there. Now let us go further. Every equation has a degree in algebra. However, in the case of differential equations, it has a order and degree. It is having both. It is having order as well as degree. Now what is order? The order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative. present in the equation. HOD याद रखिएगा, highest order derivative. Derivative means, this order means highest order derivative, HOD. जब कभी भी आपको ऑर्डर और डिग्री देखना हो, HOD हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट के पास चले जाओ. In the case, example is d2y dx square plus x dy by dx equal to 0. Here the order is 2. Order is 2. d3y dx cube plus x equal to 0. Order is 3. Look here. अब आपको ये देखना है, एक बार अगर डेरिवेटिव है तो एक उसका ऑर्डर 1 हो जाएगा. दो डेरिवेटिव का भी डेरिवेटिव है तो 2 बार डेरिवेटिव हो गया, ऑर्डर 2. फिर 3 बार अगर डेरिवेटिव है, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल का डिफरेंशियल, डिफरेंशियल का डिफरेंशियल, 3 बार डिफरेंट. सो तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख. So this is called order. Now degree, we will only find the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative present in the equation. Examples are like this. Look here. यहाँ पे 3 बार डेरिवेटिव लिया गया है, उसकी डिग्री कितनी है? 2. इधर कितने बार डेरिवेटिव लिया गया है? 1 बार. डिग्री कितनी है? 4. हमको किसके पास जाना है? HOD के पास, हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. here the highest order is degree 3. So degree is, in this case, highest order is 3, degree will be 2. Degree will be 2. हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर की डिग्री देखनी है, HOD की देखनी है. So hope you might have understood what does order and degree means. Order means कितने बार डेरिवेटिव लिया है, एंड डिग्री मीन्स उसका डिग्री कितना है, हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर का. HOD का क्या है? नाउ लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट. इक्वेशंस कैन बी लीनियर एंड नॉन लीनियर. So we will be now discussing linear and non-linear differential equations and their definition. Linear differential equation. Differential equation is written D dot E. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its derivatives occur in it in the first degree only and are not multiplied together. अब देखिए इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ कि आपको कोई भी आप डिफरेंशियल लो, उसकी डिग्री 1 होनी चाहिए और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल डेरिवेटिव के साथ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे y इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, इट विल नॉट बी लीनियर. सो इट हैज टू बी, no multiplication has to be done together. So a differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its derivative occur in it in the first degree only and not multiplied together. Now look here. This is the general equation of linear differential equation. A0 dn y dxn a1 dn minus 1 y dx minus 1 so on an y is equal to x. So this is linear differential equation. Now let us go to non-linear. A non-linear differential equation is one which is not linear. Very simple. So look here. This is order 3 degree 3, order 2 degree 2 minus 4y. Here degree is more than 1. It is not linear. It is non-linear. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. Hope you might have understood. I request you to please share this among your friends. And if you like it, please do subscribe it. This will motivate me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Happy Holi. Bye.